Have you ever been stranded on the trail and not had a spare tire? Well, now SuperATV's got you covered with our heavy-duty spare tire carrier for the Honda Pioneer, and today we're going to show you how to get one installed. So let's get to it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab our clamps, line it up on the cage like this. And we'll just go ahead, start our screws through, get them started into the other side of the clamp. So just do the same thing, we'll get our clamps lined up here. So next we're going to grab the right side portion of the spare tire carrier. It should look just like this. It'll say SuperATV on it. And then we want to grab all 4 of our bushings that have the M12 hole, and we're going to install them into the right side mount. I'll just take a rubber mallet. And you can also tell which bushing is going to be different because they're going to have the bigger lip, and in the bushing pack there's going to be 4 separated. Just want to make sure we get all 4 of these bushings seated. Like I said, you can use a rubber mallet. They'll slide in there pretty easily. Shouldn't take much force at all. So there we have it. All 4 of our bushings are installed. Then we're just going to take it and lay it up here onto our mounts. Look just like this, and then we'll take our M12 bolts and we'll go ahead and drop them down through each of these holes. Just like that. Then I'll go ahead and start my M12 nuts that are provided in the hardware kit onto the bottom. Then we're going to make sure that our clamps are centered. They're both facing straight out towards the back. Then we're just going to go through and tighten them in an X pattern. Now we're going to grab the left side portion of the spare tire carrier. We're going to attach it to the right side. We're going to grab our smaller clamps. We've already removed all the screws from them. So what we're going to do is just lay it up here just like this. Slide our clamp on. Slide this one on as well. If you're working on this by yourself, make sure you just grip this clamp as tight as you can. Keep it held into place. And I like to get 2 of them started. And just go ahead and run them down so it holds it in place. That way it'll hold itself in place, and if you have somebody to help you, it makes it a lot easier. You're not going to have to struggle near as much as what I was. Just want to line these up just like you did the top side. Just like that. Kind of hold it into place. The top portion, drop it into place there. Go ahead and start getting your hardware started. Then once you have all 4 of your screws started on each of your clamps, just go through and fully tighten the hardware. So next we're going to grab the last clamp that we have in our kit, and we're going to go ahead and attach it to the cage just like we did on the opposite side. So we'll just get it laid up here and we'll just leave our hardware loose. We'll take this and lay it up here and just kind of see where we're going to need it. We're gonna grab our bushings for this side. It'll be the last 2 bushings in the kit. Grab a rubber mallet, just tap them into place. Just like that. Same thing down here for the bottom side. And we're just gonna take our pen and we're gonna slide it through and get it all lined up. That everything's lined up. Looks like everything's looking pretty good here. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna fully tighten all of our hardware. For our clamps on both sides, we're gonna fully tighten these bolts and then we'll move on to the next step. Next, we're gonna grab the rest of our hardware in the hardware kit. It'll be the bolts and nuts. We're just gonna go through and take this plate, put it in position. There'll be 4 holes on the top and then 2 on the bottom. Put your nuts on the back side. So you just install all of these bolts. Make sure you have them all started and then go through and just fully tighten the hardware. Go through, double check and make sure all your hardware is fully tightened. Install your spare tire with the provided lug nuts that we send. Take your cotter pin, get it installed, and there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's heavy-duty spare tire carrier on the Honda Pioneer 1000. For more information on this spare tire carrier or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.